how to fix YouTube's 60 FPS lag and dropped frames on Chrome Android. This tutorial shows you a few quick fixes to get smoother playback to help catch you in the next one. First, open the YouTube video in Chrome and tap the gear icon to check the video quality setting. If it's set higher than your connection can handle, lower it manually and see if that helps first. From there, open Settings and go to Apps. Tap on Chrome. After that, tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files slowing down playback. Following this, go back to the Chrome App Info page. At this point, scroll down to Data Saver settings inside Chrome itself and make sure it's turned off. Data Saver compresses video quality and can cause stuttering on 60 FPS content. Once done, close any apps running in the background since they can eat up RAM that Chrome needs for smooth video decoding. After this, open the Settings app and check for a pending Chrome update in the Play Store. An outdated version can struggle with 60 FPS playback. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Keep in mind, if the lag only happens on one specific video, it's likely a connection or server issue rather than something on your end. Once your device restarts, open Chrome and test the video again. If this fixed the lag for you, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you in the next one.